Hello, middle school. This is Mrs. Doro. Today I want to talk to you about contour drawings. Remember in class I talked to you guys about this, and it was also in the slide presentation, that a contour drawing is an outline of the object. It's the line that gives the object its shape or its form. Okay, line drawings do not have a lot of details in them. There's absolutely no shading in a contoured line drawing. It's pretty basic, okay? So what we're going to do today, I'd like you to create 6 drawings of 3 different objects that you can find around your house. Now, when you're looking for objects, please don't grab anything too large. It needs to be able to fit on typing paper. I also would not start with anything too complex, but you do want to have some interest in it, okay? Maybe a little bit of shape to it, like a cell phone is going to be way too easy, okay? So what I grabbed from my classroom to give you a demonstration is a glue bottle, okay? So it's got some interesting curves into it and shapes and things like that. This is going to be a really interesting thing to make a contour drawing of. So the first thing I'm going to have you do, this is going to be the easy one. Just so you understand the concept of a contour drawing, I'd like you to lay the object down on a piece of paper, and I want you to trace it. I'm not usually big on tracing, but this time I do, so you understand the concept of what I'm after. So what I'm going to do is just kind of hold my pencil, going around, making one continuous line to trace my glue bottle. Okay, so there's my glue bottle. Now what I could do to add in a little bit of detail, not a lot, I can draw that line going across here. I have a line going across right about there. And I could do a bit of a detail with the label. I'm not going to add in the text or anything else like that. It's too detailed. If I look at this drawing all by itself, I can identify this as a glue bottle, okay? Now my second one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same object. This time, no tracing allowed. Put it right next to your paper. And I'd like you to go to draw it as accurately as you can. Okay, so now I'm just going to move my eye. My eye is moving back and forth from my paper to my object. I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to start on the other side. My glue bottle is symmetrical. At this point, I'm really not looking for a ton of accuracy. I'm looking for an outline. All right. So this is going to come across here. That's going to come across here. I can kind of shorten this up a little bit. Again, I'm not adding in a ton of detail. I don't want the lettering in, anything else like that, but I have my glue bottle drawn in here, okay? I would, if it was, I guess I would probably come in here and maybe straighten this out a little bit more for accuracy's sake. But I really just want you guys to get the concept of a contour drawing, that it is an outline. Again, one is going to be traced, the other one you're going to be drawing from observation. That means you have the object right in front of you, and then you're going to be drawing it on your paper. You're going to do this with 3 different objects you either find in my classroom or something that you find at home. Okay, it needs to fit on the paper. 2 drawings of each object for a total of 6 drawings.